We're here at the Sacred Goddess Retreat. Woo! If you're new here, hi! I'm Lucia and I'm on a wellness and healing journey. Currently, I am in St. Lucia having the time of my life and just focusing on wellness and healing and learning and being open to being open. And eating all the clean, plant-based, vegan, vegetarian, whatever you want to call it, but no meat, no dairy, just fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, tastefully created. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It's day one of the Sacred Goddess Retreat, and we're in the kitchen waiting on breakfast. Yummy! If you watched my arrival to St. Lucia room tour video, I had said that I would find out the name of these plants. Well, I did, but before I tell you what it's called and what it's good for, remember to go watch my arrival room tour video. I'll put the link in the description section. All right, so once you've watched that, then you can come back to this video. Cool? You can guess the name of the plant in the comment section, and I'll share the name of the plant closer to the end of the video. So keep watching until the end. Now for breakfast, we're having sea moss porridge. So I'm not a porridge person. I don't normally drink porridge, but as I say, I'm being open to being open. So I'm going to try it. It's sea moss, of course, with some coconut milk. Not sure what else is in there, but I'm open to trying. If I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, I don't like it. I think I like it though, because everything I've eaten thus far has been delicious, deliciosus. The next thing I'm having is some patchouli tea. I'll actually put the name of the tea on the screen, because if you're like me, then you need to see the spelling to know how to pronounce it. But yeah, it was good. Then I had some tangerines.
Me say roots and fruits are my favorite meal. Me no need no chicken, I don't cow for me feel. No fish, no egg.
After breakfast, we took a break, and then now it's lunchtime again. We're having yellow split peas with cabbage, raw veg, so that's lettuce with cucumber, and we also had quinoa. All right, you know, when my plate look like this, the food is really good. All right. At about 6 p.m. we had our first session together. It was our opening and goddess sashing ceremony, where we got to know our sisters a little bit more. We're here at the Sacred Goddess Retreat. Woo! The next thing I had was some ginger and lime juice. Everyone's name was put in a love box. We had to draw a name, and we are to be intentional about showing that person love through letters throughout the course of the retreat. The next thing we had was callaloo and quinoa soup with fritters, and it was good. So after the lovely sisterhood, the get-together, the goddess circle, we're all now going to take a colon cleanse, which is a colon cleanse and laxative. Alright, so we're all going to do that to just detox, purify the body. Yeah, so we'll be going to the bathroom and cleansing. So yeah. Alright, we're all going to be taking our yes, bear dude, we're going to go tonight. Alright, let's see. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To good health.
To good health, right? right.
One go. Woo. All right. Monique, turn around. Let me see you. Oh, Charlene is everything. Real boss. Come on, Charlene. You can do it. Come on, Charlene. Sherry. Yay! Very good. Valerie, it doesn't like kind of water, right? It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste bad. The formula has drastically improved.
How was it? How was it for you? How was it for you, Monique?
Oh, you get them
Went on smooth.
It went out smooth.
And it will come out smooth.
How was it for you, Valerie?
It didn't taste
Oh, you're not
bad.
finished yet? How was it for you, Shireen?
It was okay. It was better than I had it in my mind.
Yeah. How was it for you, Carlin?
It was, honestly, it was good.
Okay.
I'm ready for what it is
Tonight.
to bring.
I'm surrendered.
Yeah, we're gonna be clean.
I'm surrendered.
It's going to be very exciting.
Thank you, Empress Chanel. So that's it for day one. I did promise to tell you the name of the plant. So it's actually the snake plant, and it's very good for indoor. So get one of those plants for inside your house or your office or whatever indoor space you have, because they're actually good air purifiers. I learned some things, so I'm gonna get that plant, the snake plant. Did you guess snake plant correctly? If so, let me know in the comments. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will let you know how it goes in terms of that colon cleanse. I'll let you know about that. Well, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. One love.